Hello guys, this is John from Amen Acres Homestead. I'm going to bring you with me while I make my fried cabbage. Alright, so I've already cut my head in half, and I take each quarter and I cut that little cord out of it. Then I just proceed to just chop it up. I like my cabbage fried like this. A lot of people like sauerkraut. And certain times, certain things I do like sauerkraut. I want to point out, look at my knife. It's one my cousin of mine made. Francis Kirk, FK Knives. That's a heck of a knife, let me tell you. So what I've got here is I started melting some butter. I like a little of that butter flavor in there. Then I'm just going to keep adding my cabbage in there. So what I usually do is put a half a head at a time. If you go too much more, it gets kind of fun trying to stir it. I'm going to do my seasonings. I'm using some of that salt that I smoked. You can look back at the previous video on it, smoking salt. And I've got my own little mixture I make. It's got a lot of different stuff in it. I know it looks like a lot of seasoning, but as that cooks down, it'll mix in and just go down into the cabbage. Alright. I just placed the lid on it. I've got it on a kind of a medium heat and just let it kind of cook down. I'm going to bring you back to it and we'll check it here in just a little bit. Alright, let's check it. Yeah, it's about halfway done. I'm going to leave the lid off now. Allow it to finish cooking down. Well, here we have it. The first half is done. As you can see, it cooks down quite a bit. Now I'm going to scoop it out and try to leave as much as the fluid I can leave in there, which has a lot of the butter for the last half. Growing up, my stepdad, he is part German. Him and my mom both loved sauerkraut, so we had lots of cabbage. So I'm going to cook the other half and I'm going to bring you back when it's all done. Okay, round 2 is done. Get this all together. Then we're going to try some of it. Go down in the comments down there and tell me if you ever had cabbage like this, or if you just had it in sauerkraut or stuff like that. Alright, now for the taste test part. So what I'm having tonight is the cabbage I fried up. I've made a big thing of baked spaghetti, and I'm having a pepper that I cut up. So let's see what it tastes like. Guys, I thank you for coming along with me on this. Try you some of this. And on the seasoning, I just mix up stuff that I like. That one there had some turmeric in it, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, some Greek, and what was called that I got was called a fairy dusting, which is kind of a spicy Greek mixture. I just mix the stuff up that I like together and make my own little mixture that I put on stuff. So you can use whatever you like. Guys, I thank you for coming along. Please reach down there, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Share my videos out to your family and friends. Help me, that's what helps my channel, helps it to grow. And make sure and have a good evening. Guys, I thank you for everything you're doing. Blaze and I say good evening.